that this is a camera?
Come on. Come on.
Listen, he's playing with the carpet. Chapman. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that butt. Move that butt.
Come on. What are you doing?
I'm just playing. Ooh, ooh.
He's gonna get mad.
Oh, what?
Straight out. Oops. You are a ham.
Yes, he is. That he is.
Come on. Come on. Oh, what a fake cough. That was faker than fake.
Look at that smile. Doesn't want that.
Come on. Right, you should see him. He is being a ham and a half.
What is it?
Was it a video? Okay. What are you doing? Let me see them teethers. Let me see them teethers.
You have to post that on Facebook so that his parents.
See, this is a happy camper when he gets his adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to get up on all fours?
That's it.
Okay.